Good morning, student. Next topic is the central bank, or we can say that RBI. Okay, so one of the same thing, the central bank or the RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Okay, there could be a question who is the governor of RBI, that is Shakti Kanta Das is the governor, present governor of RBI. Okay, so exactly what is central bank? Central bank, you can say that is the apex bank. It means apex bank means banker of all the banker to the government, and it is actually control entire banking system. It has a authority to issue notes. So many functions of central bank over here we are going to study now. Okay, so very first function of the central bank is bank of issuing notes. Okay, this is you can say that central bank or RBI, Reserve Bank of India, has right to issue notes. Except RBI, no other commercial bank or other bank has the authority to issue note, but except 1 rupee note and coins, these are issued by the Ministry of Finance. So one mark question could also be there, that who is issuing coin and 1 rupee note. So that is by the Ministry of Finance. Okay, सो इट हैज़ अ सोल अथॉरिटी और मोनोपोली टू इशू नोट्स. इट मीन्स सिर्फ इसी के पास राइट है नोट इशू करने का. अदर बैंक इज नॉट हैविंग राइट. ओके, इसका फ़ायदा क्या होता है? व्हाट इज़ द एडवांटेज ऑफ इट? इज़ दैट बेनिफिट इज दैट सेम टाइप ऑफ notes or notes we can get it. Unlimited legal tender, as we already I have discussed in my money video, that unlimited legal tender and limited. Okay, here I am explaining in short that unlimited legal tender, in which you can do a payment up to rupees limited legal tender is where you can do a payment of up to 1000 rupees, but unlimited legal tender is that जिसमें आप कहीं कितनी भी पेमेंट कर सकते हैं. Okay, and this one is also I have discussed the third point already in the money video. So I'm just again explaining in a brief that how the bank is deciding that the bank has to issue the currency. Okay, that is decided by the minimum reserve system. Minimum reserve system means there should be a 200 rupees 200 of gold and foreign asset minimum reserve of this by the in the economy. Okay, so central government जो है that can also borrow from the central bank or the RBI. Okay, how they are borrowing? By selling its treasury bill, which is also called deficit financing. Okay, next function of the central bank is banker to the government. Okay, here you are supposed to keep these three things in your mind, that banker to the government. Banker to the government is, that is, as a banker to the government, it manages the accounts of the government. As you know that there are many accounts of the government, so all the accounts are managed by the Reserve Bank of India. As an agent to the government, it's buy and sell security on the behalf of the government. Government के behalf पर ये buy और sell करता है security को. As an advisor to the government, it is giving advice to the government. अगर आप recent news देखें तो उसमें जो है RBI जो है that is giving advice to the government कि अभी जो है किस तरीके से रेपो रेट, बैंक रेट जो है that should be change or remain the same. जो अभी डिसीजन लिया गया है that reverse repo rate has been declined by the RBI, ताकि ये कोरोना वायरस की जो सिचुएशन है, इकोनॉमी जो हमारा डाउनफॉल जा रहा है, उसको कॉप अप किया जा सके. ओके, सो एन एडवाइजर टू द गवर्नमेंट, इट फ्रेम पॉलिसी. Bankers bank and supervisory role. Okay, by the name it's clear, it's a bankers bank. As the commercial bank have a relationship with us, हमारे जैसे रिलेशनशिप है कमर्शियल बैंक के. हमारे रिलेशनशिप मीन्स कमर्शियल बैंक एक्सेप्टिंग डिपॉजिट एंड गिविंग लोन टू अस, सेम एज इट इज द सेंट्रल बैंक इज गिविंग लोन टू द कमर्शियल bank and they are accepting deposit. Later on we are going to study about all these things. ठीक है. Central bank provide clearing house facility. Clearing house facility means there is no need of cash transaction. There is no need of cash transaction. Okay, because you know very well that central bank के पास जितने भी आपके commercial banks हैं, ठीक है, सेंट्रल बैंक के पास इन सबके अकाउंट होते हैं. तो अब क्या होता है कि जो भी, अगर सपोज ए बैंक है, बी बैंक है, ए बैंक जो है दैट इज ट्रांसफरिंग मनी टू बी बैंक एंड 10,000 रुपीज, सपोज आई हैव पुट एग्जांपल ओवर हियर एज वेल, और बैंक बी इज गिविंग द मनी टू ए बैंक टू 15,000. तो ये कैश में ट्रांजेक्शन होने की बजाय ये ट्रांजेक्शन गवर्नमेंट RBI जो है, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया जो है, ये ट्रांजेक्शन करता है, विच इज कॉल्ड क्लियरिंग हाउस फैसिलिटी. Fine. I hope it is clear to you. And as it's a supervisory role, supervisory means those who are supervise the other. It means central bank is checking that commercial bank is obeying all the rules and regulation made by the RBI, or is it following. Central bank changes CR SLR as and when required. ठीक है, क्योंकि सेंट्रल बैंक जो है वो सुपरवाइज करता है कमर्शियल बैंक को कि आप CRR अब इतनी % रखिए, SLR इतनी % रखिए. तो दैट इज सुपरवाइजरी रोल में ये चेक करता है. ओके, दैट वेदर इट इज फॉलोइंग और नॉट. Next is lender of last resort. Okay, lender of last resort means whenever the commercial bank are fails to get financial help from anywhere. It means कोई भी commercial bank है वो लॉस में जा रहा है और उसे जो है फाइनेंशियल हेल्प की ज़रूरत है. ठीक है, तो सेंट्रल बैंक और यू कैन से दैट RBI इज हेल्पिंग आउट द कमर्शियल बैंक फॉर द सेम. ओके, सो बाय दिस सेंट्रल बैंक जो है हमारे फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रक्चर जो है हमारी कंट्री का उसे भी सेव करता है. बिकॉज अगर एक बैंक भी डाउनफॉल जाता है तो हमारी इकोनॉमी पे इसका इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है. Custodian of foreign exchange. Okay, so one of the function of the central bank is a custodian of foreign exchange. Okay, that means whenever there is a up and down in the foreign exchange, that is controlled by the RBI. How it is doing? It is doing through the managed floating. Managed floating is sale and purchase of foreign exchange that is viewed to achieving stability of exchange rate for domestic currency. Because हमारी domestic currency जो है कभी depreciate हो जाती है, कभी appreciate हो जाती है, तो सेंट्रल बैंक यहाँ पर रोल प्ले करता है मैनेज फ्लोटिंग के थ्रू सेल एंड परचेज करता है. ओके, इन द फॉरेन एक्सचेंज चैप्टर यू आर गोइंग टू स्टडी ईच एंड एवरीथिंग केयरफुली. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज कंट्रोल ऑफ क्रेडिट. ओके,